Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe will be how to make egg fried rice. I'm making egg fried rice because I'm also going to be making chicken Manchurian, and both recipes is going to be on my YouTube and TikTok. So first I'm going to start is going to be, this recipe is egg fried rice. So for that we need 3 cups of fresh boiled rice, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 green chilies, almost 1 teaspoon of garlic, no ginger, just garlic, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 plate of freshly cut chopped spring onions, and 1 plate of grinded carrot, and one capsicum, and also need soya sauce, and need 2 eggs. 2 eggs mixed with yellow food color or orange. मेरे पास अभी yellow food color नहीं है, तो मैं orange food color use a little bit only and mix it with egg. So let's get cooking. It's very easy recipe, and I'll put in the beginning of the video a screenshot of the ingredients just in case. So first we're gonna take the large pot and heat up the oil, and then add first garlic. So now I've added the garlic. I'm also gonna add spring onions. Let them cook for a little bit, not too long. So now it's been about a minute of cooking, and going to add egg and mix it well so it doesn't get stuck. Add egg, and once it's mixed, then I'll add also salt and black pepper. So now at this point I've added already egg, salt and black pepper. I will put green chilies. So I've just added the green chilies. I'm also gonna add the carrot and the capsicum. Mix it and cover it on small fire to soften. Now when I removed the lid and checked, the pepper has soft and carrot are soft, so it's ready to add rice. Now we're gonna add rice and mix it. So once you've given the rice a good mix, it's time to add soya sauce. Just add it a bit and give it a good mix. The amount of how much soya to add, you really have to judge by what type of soya you have. As you can see, I've used premium light soya sauce, but if you have a stronger one, then you should use a bit less. Now the rice is fully ready. It's ready to be served and enjoy. As you can see, it's steaming hot at the moment, and I just tried. It tastes lovely. But right now I'm gonna be making also chicken Manchurian, as I've prepared the ingredients, and that's what I'm gonna have for family dinner. So this is the finished recipe for the egg fried rice. Yes, and we're going to enjoy it today with the chicken Manchurian. So please enjoy and subscribe for more recipes, and there will be a picture in the beginning of ingredients full list.